My name is Tema Shubi, or Tema.
We find that home, she's great. The sermon series, we are still in issues recurring. Sermon title, Pursue Love and Desire Spiritual Gifts. The key text 1 Corinthians 12, 1 to 12. The New King James Version. 1 Corinthians 13, 1 to 13. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 1. Romans 5, 5.
So this is, even in age, they are also bringing the same topic. Their private areas are just their own private. Whether it's dad, brother, uncle, what.
Oh my god. So I won't water the other one because apparently you're not supposed to just after you repot. So I'll just water this one and then I'll water the other one tomorrow. Yeah. So the reason why you don't water this one apparently is so that the roots can get used to the new soil. But I don't know how true that is. But I am going to follow it anyway. Okay, cool. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I am getting used to the idea of packing every single time I pack because I'm one person who does not like packing, but I think I'm finding ways each time to figure it out and to just do it. Yeah, so I wouldn't say, like, for example, today it's not that hard or it's not as frustrating as it usually is most of the time. Yeah, I think I've managed to find a strategy that works for me. So yeah, I think I'll just be using this method throughout. Okay, not the method of packing. Like, I just mean the like the way in which I avoid frustrating myself when I pack. I'm currently listening to Joyce Meyer, not listening to her attentively, but it's kind of like when you have music playing in the background.